Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV. It has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 110 horsepower. Features Peugeot's grip control, which has optimised grip in different conditions. We also get 17-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors, 7-inch touchscreen, has DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also get dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.